Hello everyone, you're welcome back. In today's edition, I'll quickly show you how to make a puff sleeve. I posted a puff sleeve of recent on my story, and many people wanted to see video on it. So today I'm showing you how to make that. You are just going to the first thing you're going to do is you cut your normal basic sleeve pattern, and it's going to be a long pencil sleeve. This down part 5 inches as usual. Then you curve to that place just like this. Then you are going to measure the sleeve length, which is 24. Then the half length of the sleeve is 12 inches, which is from shoulder to elbow is 12 inches. Then the full length 24 inches plus the folding allowance. So that down part is for the folding allowance. Now you are going to get your armhole circumference measurement. You mark. I have 18 inches there. Then you come down, take your bicep measurement. You are going to mark. Then the round sleeve measurement. Then you connect them together. So you're going to add just 1 inch sewing allowance. So after that you cut out. So from that shoulder to the elbow I have 12 inches. That is where the puff is going to start from. So now I'm making use of this damask material, 45 inches long. Then the width is 30 inches. Though depending on how big you want the puff to be, you can actually make use of just 1 yard. I have 30 inches here. That is the width. Then the length 45 inches. Just like I said, depending on how wide, how puffy you want the sleeve to be, that will determine the size of the fabric you are going to use. But I think 1 yard is okay. So now you are going to fold the fabric into half circumference like this. You are not going to cut, you are not folding it into a full cycle. You are folding into half flay. So now you check your armhole circumference measurement. What you have there is what you are going to use in cutting out this upper part. So I have 18 inches there. That is 18 inches. Then you are going to divide by 4. Which is you divide by 2, you have 9.5 inches. Then you divide the 9.5 inches by 2 again. So whatever you have there, you are going to mark. Then you just cut out from this part. Another thing is, if you want the upper part, the shoulder area, the armhole area, sorry, to have little pleating or gathers, you can just extend this one by 3 inches. You can add additional 3 inches this way. Then you cut it off. So at the end of the day, you'll be able to pleat at the armhole level. But if you want it just normal without pleating or gathers, then you're just going to get the actual measurement. So from here to this point I have 12 inches. From shoulder to the elbow I have 12 inches. So now you are going to get that 12 inches. You are going to mark it round this way. So what we are going to do now is we are not going to cut exactly on that 12 inches. You are going to add additional 5 inches. So that at the end of the day, after pleating on that 12 inches, the puff will be able to like cover up the joining area, to be able to cover it up. So 5, 4, 6 inches, they are not bad. But here I'm making use of 5 inches. So that at the end of the day, the puff will be able to come out and it will fall well, covering the joining area. it won't really look nice if you make it exact 12 inches. It won't really come out nice. So extension of 5 inches, 6, 4 is okay, whichever one you want to use. So that's that about the cutting. The next thing you are going to do now is just try to get the center of the, try to notch the center of the fillet or the half circle. Then you are going to pleat around like this. So either you draw the gathers or you do the pleating all through on that that 12 inches line. After that, you turn it the other way around. Then you are going to attack it. This is where I was talking about that if you want to have gathers there, you can add that 3 inches that I said the other time. Then you'll be able to pleat on this other side too. But if you want it accurate measurement, then you don't have to. So you try to notch the 12 inches, that straight line, so that it will enable you get the straight line. So start from the center of this. So now you are going to start your pleating, whichever one you want to do. If it is gathers, anyone, you are going to do that all through from this side and the other side. So you are going to do your ruffled gathers here all through. Just like this. So after that, you are going to turn it, just turn it over, then you tag this place. You tag this place, you tag it down. Since we are having equal measurement on both the fillet and the normal basic sleeve, then there's no need of putting pleating or gathers. It's just going to be equal. Our sleeve is coming, it's almost coming to an end. So you draw this place, you just place it down like this, then you tack it down. Tack it on the other side so that it will enable you to your take your round sleeve measurement. Just tack down like this. Then you do the same thing on the other side. So after this, you just turn them as if you're taking your final measurement. Now you start from the normal arm circumference measurement. You are going to join to your round sleeve measurement. Then after this, you are done. The sleeve is ready. As you can see, very beautiful. You are done with your sleeve. Thank you very much, everybody, for watching. Please don't forget to like and share. See you in my next video.